Yo, what's up, traders? It's Jose, your host for 4 years of day trading experience, ready to crush it today on live. We're diving into the NASDAQ at New York Open. We're going to be hunting for bull flags and sharing real time trades, strategies, and insights. Grab your coffee, grab your demo account, grab your prop firm account. Um, let's get this action going. Let's stack some profit in the first hour, drop some comment, and let's make it wild wide. Right. On NASDAQ, we did pull up over to 22,300s over Asian session, just pulling up from here. This is Asian session from here over a 360 point rally over Asian session. So we're just going to wait here for the bells to go off at New York Open. New York's open. Here we go. Sellers are coming in. There's going to be target down to here. The bulls are coming in here. Could just continue to rally. We did kind of touch the zone for the fair value gap, but this 4 hourly close is looking real good for a pullback in the beginning of the month. A double top. Hands off here. No trades. Still just waiting here. Coming down to these levels quick. Here we go. We're breaking out here. Could have a big pullback here. Sellers are in right here. We're going to close that one. Yeah, my price is still going to continue to go down here. Try to retrace 50% of Asian session here. We did have a good rally, so maybe 150 points off. Get into those levels at 112. We're in on buys here. We're going to keep our stops right below 106. Might even move them to 112 here. This bull flag is not playing real good, but stops are still secured. Taking a minute to react. But we're in on some buys here at 2130 levels for the bull flag. We did catch a short for 190. Man, it just doesn't want to go to 140s. Here we go, starting to move a little biatch. Let's take a look at the other ones. Looking like they want to retrace down here. Here on buys at 2130 levels still for the bull flag playing out. Stops below 111. Targeting our stops. Man. All right, we're 1 for 1 if we take this one. Out of that trade, took a 400 loss on that one trade. Now it's going to make its way back up here, touching 107s. Fucking taking one more stab here at the buys. The VIX is making its way up today, so the Asian session pullback could be in play. Okay. We're going one more. We're gonna go 95s for our stops. Okay, stops just fucking got targeted. All right, let's take a step back. So we're on a 50K funded account right now. We're down 614 for the day. Those buys are playing out right here at these levels. Just very hard right now to get this chop position in. We're in on buys, taking another one. This will be our last one. Up 120. Down back. Trying to have it break at least above 150s here. Every day is not going to be a perfect day, but hey, we're getting better every day, following the rules. We're here on buys at NASDAQ off this bull flag. Here we go. Let's get some volatility coming in here now. Unless it's just going right to our fucking stop loss for continuing to go down. Could have sold off this bear flag here off the open. It was at 8:30 though. Same thing happened here. think it's gonna go down more, I guess, for the day. It could go down all day. Does it go down all day? Every time I come trying just to buy, I get fucked. Okay, like I see the sells. Sells are clearly in play here. Break off the trend here. $15-minute. Yeah, we're going down. If it does hit this pivot point here, it could go back up to 160s possibly. But if we do have a little retracement here for the buyers, because we're still in buys, 74 will be filled today. Could be where the zone is for the buyers to come back in, just so we can stay above the 20,000 levels. I think we're going to stay above 20,000 for a couple of maybe a week or so. Stops hit. Oh, fuck. Not the best approach today for New York Open for myself. Sellers were clearly in, and I saw it, and I was going against it. Break off of the trend here at 8:30 from 9:22, 9:30 open, all the way down. Over 100-point continuation to go down on that. And then also at 8:30, break off of the trend for 50 points. If you would have held, it would have been 140. Not too aggressive. Just mad at myself for how many trades I did take. We are on a mini trade. Oh, shit. Easy 3-1 trade. I was risking 100 for 3 to come back for the day. Sorry, bye-bye. Finally, buy the plane. I will make $200 the last trade. Up 6 weeks to the oh, that's the best approach. 80% off. 80% off Apex funding once you use code JPH. New York. It could do the same thing as yesterday. Just have a big fucking pullback right at open and just continue to go up all day. That's why I'm targeting 262s the top for a swing trade. This will be the end of the stream. Tune in. No stream tomorrow. Tune in next week. Better approach. Better following plans. We're getting better at following our plans with this stream. We used to be really good at following the plans without the stream. Now it's different because we have this stream, but this is journaling my process and being with me during profitability. Last year during this day, I had a 12K payout during that month, during May and April. So we're going for 20 to 40. And with this road to journey with affiliating and YouTube. Like and subscribe. Use code JPH always.